What's going on? Welcome to Kanien'keha, lesson 23. Today we're going to be looking at O and ON stem words and how to incorporate them with nouns. So for O stem we only have one word and it's osera, which means year, and then stem there's a couple of them, but normally they'll begin with So today we're going to be looking at ngweda, which means person. So first we're going to be looking at the singular pronouns, incorporating it with osera. So my year is agosera, your year, zosera, his year, raosera, her year, agosera, its year, aosera. And then dualix, doesn't matter if it's mine and yours or mine and someone's, ungenosera. You guys' two's year, zenosera. Them two males or a male and a female, raunosera. Those two females or a cat and a girl or two cats, aunosera. And then plurals is unjosera for our year. Your guys' year is zosera. Their year, three males or a mixed group of people, raunosera. And their females or oskenundu, aunosera. And now we're going to be looking at stem. So ngweda, which means person. So first we're going to look at singulars. My person, agungweda. Yours, zungweda. His, raungweda. Hers, agangweda. Its person, angweda. And then dualix, mine and yours, mine and someone's, ungenungweda, used to, zenungweda, theirs two, males or mix, raunungweda, and them two females or oskenundu, aunungweda. Lastly, we're going to look at plurals. So ours, unjungweda, your guys's, zungweda, theirs, males or mixed, raunungweda, theirs females or neutral, aunungweda. So that's it for our lessons on noun stems and incorporating it with possessive pronouns. So what you can do is take all these words that we have provided and find other ones and apply it within your own studying. Lesson 23. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from Kanien'keha, and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.